So today I'm going to shoot a little video on building one of our racks here. Right here I have it's called the Pioneer. It's a medium-sized rack, and this is how it'll show up in the box. So first thing we want to do is just kind of take it apart and just kind of line everything up in the way we can construct it. So what you'll have here is you'll have the screws and the chain and this little piece of sandpaper in here. You'll have the instructions, which I'll follow the instructions word by word, so it'll be just as if I'm building this for the first time. So on the front page here, you'll have just the tools needed. So I have this, you can either use a screwdriver or a power drill. Screwdriver, little hammer, and some bar soap. So once you get that out, you'll want to take it apart the rest of the way. And what I usually do is I'll lay out the sticks by the way they're marked. And on these it says BL. So I lay the BLs out side of each there. The BRs are right next to them. And then what we have is, let me open this up here. We have the L's. You'll see that there's a little L there. Sometimes it's hard to see, but if you feel it, then you can see it. And one of those has the little burn mark on it. So you want to pay attention to that. Our monogram is burned in there in the instructions. And then we have the R's. The R's are right there. Sometimes it's hard to see, but it's there. And then what we have is the on the Pioneer, which is medium rack, there's 10 dowels. There's 7 long and 3 short. So what we want to do is line the longs up and then the shorts. And on each dowel, there's a pencil mark, and that'll tell you where to screw the screws in. Second thing I do, which we need to really add to the instructions, is I'll soak each end of the dowel. That really helps for ease of installation. So I'll soak all these. Now, this is the last one to soak. So I'm just I have a little groove in the soap. I'm just rolling it in there. And then I'm lining up all the pencil marks, and they're all facing the same way. Number 1 is you take the L long leg without the branding. So that would be the L long leg. Okay, it doesn't have the branding on it. The other one does. Lay that down, and then you take the BL short leg. So this is the BL short leg, and it states in here that you lay them down side by side, and you line up the second holes. So you have the 1, 2, the 1, 2. So this should be side by side. Then you take the R long leg, which is this, and we'll just read right here, and lay diagonally on top of matching 2 center holes, which is this one right here. The center hole in the other long leg. Then we take the, which step 3 will be next. Take the short BR leg, okay, that's this, and lay on top of the short BL leg, and if you just look right here, it lines up with the second hole also. Lines up with the second hole and the bottom hole of the other short leg, and then this center hole matches here. So what you'll have is you'll have 4 matching holes, and then you grab 4 dowels here. And I always usually start by having the pencil mark. I'll have it facing down. So what I'll do is I just shove that in there, and I'll get it through the through this bottom hole long enough to go into the other bottom hole on the short leg. Then I'll just shove it in. It goes in just like that. Then I'll grab another long leg, making sure I have the pencil mark here. And then there's 2 holes here that line up in the center. So I'll kind of line those up and then just shove right in like that. With the soap, it makes it a lot easier. Then I'll grab the third one, and if you see on the diagram, it's also the second hole up. And that'll go through this long leg. Oops, I didn't line that up. There we go. Should be able to just shove it down like that. There we go. Then one more long stick. Make sure we have the pencil mark lined up there. And that goes up in the center. So that will give us 4 dowels in, and you should be able to open it like that. Now that we're done with step 4, we have the 4 dowels in, and you can see that it opens and closes. We'll go on to step 5. Let's read step 5. Now insert 2 short dowels in the remaining holes on the R leg. So we have the R leg, and there's only 2 more holes left, so we grab 2 short dowels, line up the pencil mark, get those shoved in there, make sure, yep. Alright, that's step 5. Now for step 6. Take an R long leg, let's grab that, check here, yeah, R long leg, stamp facing up, so we want to make sure our R is facing up, place it on the 4 of the dowels from the other R long leg that are already facing up. So the center 2 will go 3/4 inch through, or around 3/4 inch, through the stick here. So we'll get that started. We'll get these end 2 started. Okay. Then we'll just shove those down. If you have a hard time shoving it down, you can either use a rubber mallet, get it on there, or just like a piece of wood with a hammer. Just lay that on there and hammer it down with a hammer. So the remaining 2 dowels will be flush with the leg, that's the end 2, and the other 2 will be sticking out about 3/4 of an inch. Now to step 7. Take 1 short dowel, okay, and insert into the BR short leg. So look at the pencil. BR short leg, there's 1 hole remaining. Get that shoved in there. That's all you do for step 7. Step 8, place a short BR leg. So let's go get that. BR leg. So this everything's stamped facing up into the 3 standing dowels. So we have the BR leg here, and there's 3 dowels standing up. So get that started here. The bottom 2 dowels pass through about 3/4 of an inch, and the third one will be flush. You don't have to worry about it being flush right now, because when we start screwing this all together, we'll make sure it's flush. Done with the second page already. On to step 9. Now install 2 long dowels. Yes, grab 2 long dowels. Check the pencil. Onto the L long leg. So let's look here. That's the L long leg, and there's only 2 holes left. So we'll get those in there. Step 10. Take the L long leg, the one that has the branding on it. That's that. And place on top diagonally with the other L long leg. So that will be right here. That lined up. This one you got to kind of get started with 1, 2, third one started. And this, so you got all 4 in there. Shove that down a little bit. Those will be flush with all of them. Okay? So branding's facing up. Step 11. Take the last long dowel and insert into the last hole. Hopefully you only got 1 more hole here. There it is. That was step 11. Now, 12. Take BL short leg, which should be the last one also. So marking here, yeah, BL. And insert over remaining dowels. So you really don't have much of a choice. We only have a few dowels remaining. There we go. Something like that. of that down. It makes it easy if you have like a table to work on or something. It makes it a lot easier to do. Now step 12. Well, we're about there. Now on the back page, you'll see a little diagram there. Bring all dowels flush with legs. Rotate all dowels to the cut line. So we're in step 13 now, and what I kind of wanted to show is how you line up the dowels. And step 13 says bring all dowels flush with legs. So you rotate all dowels so the cut line of the dowels line up at the hole in the leg. So what I wanted to do is kind of show you how that looks. So I take this dowel here, turn it, kind of show you. So there's that line in the dowel, and it lines up with the hole in the stick right there. So once you have that lined up, you can see right here, you can take screws and just screw those right in there. Snug them down, and then you have the screw lined up, and it goes right into the dowel with the pre-drilled holes we have. And so you just do that on one side, on the side that has the lines in the dowels, and then turn it over. And a lot of times, I put a piece of cardboard down here on the floor, and once I get to the other side, you know, they'll be lined up on the other side. So you just get them flush and screw your screws right in on every hole. So you see on the rack here, there's a couple of there's these pre-drilled holes right there. So what we do, it's nice just have it upside down like this. We have the chain, 2 sets of chain, put it through the first hole here, and screw that in. So you want that kind of loose so the chain will swing, and then get it all straight and nice. Put it in the other hole in the other end of the chain. Screw that down. Make sure it's a little bit loose. So see, when you open it, that's what keeps it, so it won't spread all out. Alright. Yeah, finish up all the holes on both sides. When you're all done, there you go. I didn't screw all these in yet, but you'll have the burned part right up there. And then if you, for care of these, you know, it's natural, it's just this German beech, and the dowels of poplar. So if you ever get any, you know, if it sits outside wet, and I haven't had one get moldy yet, but if you do, just take a little piece of sandpaper, just sand it, you know, and sometimes, you know, we leave them outside in the summer, all summer, and, you know, it'll get like sun checked or whatever. Just take some sandpaper over it, run it over there, and you're good to go. Well, that's about it for putting them together. If you have any questions, just email us through our website. That would be gundersonhomestead.com. And yeah, thank you.